Vice President Jagdeep has asserted that illegal migrants who are living in the country not only pose a security threat but also create risks to societal harmony and democracy by influencing electoral process. The Vice President said this while addressing a group of Rajya Sabha interns under 5th Rajya Sabha internship program in New Delhi's Vice President enclave yesterday. Speaking further, Vice President Jagdeep pointed out that millions of migrants are residing in India illegally and they create a big challenge to the nation's sovereignty, consume essential resources and pose a threat to national security. The Vice President further urged the government to address the issue urgently while stating that such challenges cannot be ignored.
We have to see the challenges, and challenge to the nation is millions of illegal migrants are living in our land. Millions. Is it not a challenge to our sovereignty? Such kind of people will never be wedded to our nationalism. They use our resources of health, education and other facilities. They engage in jobs meant for our people. I expect everyone in the government to take a severe look at this problem, and resolution of it cannot be delayed even by a day. How can a nation suffer illegal migrants in millions? They are a threat to our democracy because they are trying to influence our electoral system. They are also a threat to our societal harmony, to our national security,